Okay, so Man-Thing is getting a buff. And honestly, this feels long overdue. Because Man-Thing has always been one of those champions where you play him and think, yeah, he's decent, but something just isn't clicking. Like the utility is there, the mechanics are there, but the overall experience never really felt complete. And now, with him entering the 7-star Ascension Launch Pool, Kabam clearly doesn't want him showing up underwhelming, so they're giving him a tune-up to make his kit flow better. And I'm actually really curious about this one, because Man-Thing isn't a bad champion. He never was. He just always felt like he was missing that one extra push to make him feel smooth and reliable. On defense, he's been fine. Sometimes annoying, but never really a problem. On offense, he had moments, but the consistency just wasn't there. And that's exactly what this buff is trying to fix. But before we jump into the details, real quick, if you enjoy Marvel Contest of Champions content and don't want to miss future uploads, hit that subscribe button. It's free, it helps the channel a ton, and drop a like if you enjoy the video. Alright, let's talk about this Man-Thing buff. First off, this is a tune-up buff, not a complete rework. So Kabam isn't rebuilding Man-Thing from scratch. They're basically fixing his flow and making his abilities more reliable. And honestly, that's exactly what he needed. So starting with the Agitation and Fury changes. Previously, Man-Thing's Fury from the signature ability felt inconsistent and kind of slow to build. Now Kabam moved that Fury interaction directly into Agitation, and they also increased the Fury potency overall. That basically means Man-Thing's damage ramp will feel faster and more consistent during fights, instead of taking forever to get going. And they added something really nice here. Nullifying a buff now gives +5 agitation. That's actually huge, because Man-Thing already interacts with buffs a lot. So now, every time you're nullifying buffs, you're also building damage momentum at the same time. That's cleaner design. Next, Nullify improvements. They increase the on-contact nullify chance, but here's the important part. The on-contact nullify now only happens when Man-Thing is a defender. This is actually a smart balance change. So, on attack, your nullify becomes more controlled and intentional. On defense, he still stays annoying with contact-based nullify. Basically, less randomness when you're playing him, but still annoying when you fight him. That's a win-win design. Now let's talk about the signature ability regeneration, because this is probably the biggest quality of life improvement. Before, the regen depended on a health threshold, was a buff scaled with current health. Now, Kabam cleaned this up completely. The regeneration always activates, is now a passive effect, scales with missing health, and the amount is increased. This makes the regen more reliable, stronger, and harder to counter, since it's no longer a buff. And most importantly, it now triggers every time you use special attacks, which makes his gameplay loop way more predictable. No more awkward waiting for conditions. Now the fun little addition, the new Synergy. With Cosmic Ghost Rider, when Man-Thing charges a heavy attack, he gains a short aptitude buff, which basically boosts his ability accuracy effects. Not game-breaking, but definitely a nice bonus for damage and utility. So if we zoom out and look at the big picture, offensively, Man-Thing becomes more consistent, less random, easier to control, faster to ramp damage. And defensively, Kabam didn't go crazy. They just made his nullify and regeneration show up a little more often, which keeps him annoying but still manageable for science champions. Nothing broken, nothing scary, just better. Exactly what a tune-up buff should do. And that's gonna do it for this one. If you enjoyed breaking this down with me, make sure you hit that like button. It really helps more than you think. Subscribe if you don't want to miss any Marvel Contest of Champions content, because we've got a lot more coming. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.